Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bsislost. So I'm on another adventure. This is actually mine and my babe's 14th anniversary. So for today, it's 14 years together. So that's why I just thought I'll come on a adventure. Went to Isha, as usual. Didn't go one. Just stopped at the place, took a video, and then took a turn back. And I've just come to a hill. I don't know what hill this is. And there is some waterfall, it seems. I'm just walking towards it. It is totally into the forest. So I'll show you where I've parked my bike. And I'll show you, and I will also write the name of the falls in the description or something. I'll figure it out what it is. But now, as of now, I don't have signal here. So it isn't, I'm not able to check the name of this place. So check this location. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also do subscribe to my channel. And if you do like this adventure video, do share it with your friends. Okay, do watch the video until the end. So maybe you will know how this location looks like.